You hear an Arab ask, "Wainak, where are you?" Sounds simple, right? Not always. Sometimes Arabs ask a question, but they don't actually want the real answer. Let's see how Wainak changes depending on the situation. When you're late, your friend has been waiting for you. Wainak, not where are you, often means why are you late? What's taking so long? But being late isn't the only situation where you will hear it. When you don't reply, you disappear for hours and don't answer your messages. Wainak often means why haven't you replied? What's going on? And Arabs use it in another very common situation too. When someone disappears, you haven't seen a friend for days, then they suddenly show up. Wainak, what's happened? Is everything okay? Notice something important, the word never changed. Only the situation changed. So even though Wainak literally means where are you, native speakers often use it to mean why are you late? Why haven't you replied? What's going on with you? This is why many learners know Arabic words but still struggle to understand real conversations. Because understanding the words is one thing, understanding what Arabs actually mean is something else. Know someone learning Arabic? Send them this video. This mistake confuses almost every learner. See you in the next one.